Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today we will learn about letter F. Letter F is the next letter after letter E, and its sound is F. Fish.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, you can see a fountain, and children are playing football near the fountain. Fountain, football are friends of F. Do you know some other friends of F? Very good. Frog, fish, fan, flamingo are some more friends of F. Children, in this lesson, we learned about football. Do you also play football? Do you know what is inside the football to inflate it? Right. There is air inside the football. Air pump is used to inflate the football. You can see some birds flying above the tree. Can you count them? Good job! There are 5 birds flying above the tree. Let's learn to write letter F. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.